Hello everyone, I am Navamini Hans and I am here to discuss with you about anthropology, all the topics that are there in the syllabus for the state administration examinations and the UPSC. So, giving you a brief introduction, I am Navamini and I have done my master's in zoology. So, I'm MSc zoology from Jammu University and I have cleared Jammu Kashmir Administrative Services in 2020 with anthropology as my optional. So basically, zoology helps me in genetics and anthropology because I'm very interested in social studies. So this encouraged me to go for the anthropology. Also, the syllabus, which is very compact and easily doable. So, why I am making the video is because I couldn't find any useful videos while I was preparing myself and keeping in mind the upcoming examination. I just wanted to help people as many as I can. So, starting with the anthropology, let me first discuss with you the syllabus of anthropology. First of all, the anthropology paper is divided into paper 1 and paper 2, like any other optional paper. And they both constitutes for the total 500 marks. Now the paper 1. Paper 1, as we see, is divided further into social cultural and the physical part. In the social cultural part, we have the concepts and the theories, like we have the concepts of social institutions, we have the concepts of political and economic institutions, we have the concepts for the language and the speech, and we have concepts like nature of society, culture, which basically we have to give is the culture and the society. Right. Now coming to the physical part, we have biology, and we have basic concepts of biology like cells, chromosomes, etc. Then we have genetics and inheritance, and all the concepts that are related to inheritance in man. We also have in it the human evolution. We have to know in human evolution about our relatives, that are primates, etc. So this is basically what constitutes for the paper 1. It also contains some topics like the concepts of ecological anthropology, epidemiological anthropology, human growth and development, etc. Uh, then we have paper 2. The paper 2 contains the Indian anthropology, the concepts, the theories that are pertaining to the Indian society, for example, the caste system. Also, we will have to know about the changes taking place in the Indian society, and of course about the dynamic of tribe and caste. We know the tribe and caste continuum, and the rural anthropology. Further, we have in this paper the applied anthropology. In applied anthropologies, there are topics that are also helpful to us in the GS paper. Like we have the topics that are related to vulnerable sections, the PVTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups, the problems faced by these groups, and the government programs, constitutional safeguards related to them. So this is the brief introduction about the syllabus. Now, keeping in mind that we should not waste time, I think we should first of all go to how we will go about studying anthropology in the lecture. What I have done basically is that I have first taken a topic, then I will go through all the questions that have been asked in the paper before. Like you for that you can take topic wise and previous year papers. New Vishals is one brand which is giving the main topic wise previous year papers. So you can purchase it from online or you can purchase it from stores. So first I will discuss with you one topic, that is paper 1 2.2 topic, the nature of society. In this we have further topics: concept of society, society and culture, social institutions, and social stratification. Now, first of all, I would like to go through all the questions that have been asked. For example, discuss the social control in the simple society, citing examples. Then there have been question on status and role in anthropology. We have question on social stratification that was asked in 2019. Then what are the bases of social stratification, discussed with examples, 2012. Then define status and role in 2014. What is the folk urban continuum in 2003. Write a note on social structure, write a note on caste mobility. So there are different topics that have been asked. In my lecture, I will discuss with you all these questions. I will try to cover all these topics, and please let me know if you are interested in this. So tomorrow we will upload a lecture on this society, and if you guys like it, I will try to upload more such video and try to cover maximum topics of syllabus. And please let me know which topic you want to do on a priority basis, so I'll make videos on them first. So that's all for today. This is just a brief introduction. And how will I go with the topic? That is, I will first go through the previous year question paper, and then I will cover all the questions, which is mostly the most, I think, the most helpful way to do this. Okay.